Hi everyone, it's Toni here from Scrap Crazy with Toni. I am bringing you a fun little shadow box today. I'm using the Crafter Clock Princess Adventures range, but you can make this with any theme that you want. Now, I've sort of put this as a PenPal idea. I thought it'd be like really fun to include this as your little goodie to your PenPal. You may be wondering why and how I've incorporated this into being a PenPal gift, but you'll see at the very end I actually add a pocket to the back, so you can just write your letter and then slip your letter into the pocket on the back, or of course you can use it as a fun card and include, you know, a tag and a little gift card or some money or something in the back there as well. So I do have instructions with this video as we're going along. Most of them will be there in the captions for you, so please do have a look and follow those along. It is really simple. It's just making a plain box, and then I add in those little tabs for the bottom and the top. Very simple techniques. Definitely anyone can do these. Anyone of any level can do this. So please don't be intimidated. It definitely is not as hard or as tricky as it looks. Once you get to the stage of layering and clustering the die cuts and flowers and stuff like that, that's all good and fun. Just take your time with it. And luckily this collection actually has some pop outs. So that saves some time fussy cutting, which was great because we all know I'm not into fussy cutting. Anyway, I'll leave you now and say thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Happy scrapping!